Hello, Proximity Learning. Welcome. My name is Glenn Heuring, and today you'll be viewing a very short Zoom lesson on writing equations to horizontal and vertical lines. I am using a Mac computer and an iPad. Sometimes I even use a document camera. I'm also using an app called Notability and Reflector Teacher 3 to mirror my iPad to my desktop. For student practice, I'm utilizing a web-based app called That Quiz. So, okay, enough of the tech talk. Let's get started. Hello, Kelly.
Hi.
It's nice to see you again. Thanks for signing in. Today's lesson is going to be a short one. It's on writing equations for horizontal and vertical lines. But before we get started, do you have any questions?
I don't have any questions, Mr. Heuring.
Okay, so let me share my screen with you. How's it on your end?
Perfect.
All right, so you can see on the screen there, we have two objectives for today. We're going to be graphically identifying the intercepts of lines to help us write the equations to horizontal and vertical lines. We're also going to try to make connections to the slopes of horizontal and vertical lines as they relate to those particular equations. So let's get warmed up a little bit here. Take a look at the four graphs you see in front of you. Okay, can you identify the line that has a slope of 0?
A D.
E, very good, well done. How about the line that has a slope that's undefined?
Undefined is A.
Well done. Take a look at those four graphs again. Can you identify which is the graph of a horizontal line?
D again.
D again. And how about the vertical line?
That would be A.
Well done. Okay, so some might classify graphs of horizontal and vertical lines as special cases because they look more like coordinates than they do look like equations. So here, you'll see what I mean here. Look at the definition for horizontal lines. They are y equal b lines, where b is the y-intercept. And for vertical lines, they're x equal a, where a is the x-intercept. So you can see the secret to these is just finding the intercept. But they're very, very short equations. Okay, so the mistake is typically not made in identifying the intercepts, but made when choosing whether to use y equal or x equal. So don't worry, we have an easy memory aid for you here to help you with that, and it's known as Heuring. Heu is represented and used for horizontal lines. It means horizontal lines that have a slope of 0 and they use y equal equations, and Vux is used for vertical lines. And they have undefined slopes and they are x equal equations. Heuring. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these and put them into application. So here, take a look at graph A, the line A. That is a horizontal line that you see in front of you. So I am going to use Heu. That tells me also that it has a slope of 0, but more importantly, it tells me that it's a y equals line. Y equals whatever the intercept is. So y equals 4 in this case, since the y-intercept is 4. Okay, Kelly, why don't you try line B?
So that is horizontal, so that would be Heu, which would be a y equals -2.
Very good. Okay, and let's go ahead and try C, line C.
C is a vertical line, so you'd use Vux, and that would be the x equals 2.
2, very good, well done. So you can see how easy it is to remember whether you use y equals or x equals. Just remember Heuring. So I'm going to give you control of my mouse real quick. And on the screen, you should have control. I have a little 5-question worksheet you can try. And when you're ready, just hit start testing and get down to it.
All right, horizontal line. That would be a vertical line. That is a horizontal line, so it's Heu, and our intercept is 4, so y equals 4. That is a vertical line, so it's Vux, so our x is a 1. There we go. And that is a horizontal line, and our y is a 3. Okay, finish.
Perfect, 100%. Well done.
Perfect.
You are now a master of writing equations of horizontal and vertical lines. So let me take control of my mouse again. And so today you learned how easy it is to write equations to horizontal and vertical lines. If you ever forget, you can go back to the definition, but even better than that, just remember Hoy Vux. Hoy Vux.
Hoy Vux.
Okay. So Kelly, I think you did a really good job today.
Thank you.
What do you think? How do you think you did? Did it help?
It did help because I didn't know that, couldn't remember the way to use that to make it easier, and now I know.
Okay, that's great. That's awesome. So do you have any more questions before we sign off?
Do I have homework this week?
No, you do not.
Yay, thank you.
Okay, so I'll see you next time. All right?
All right, happy
All right.
4th.
All right, see you later, Kelly. Goodbye.
Bye.
All right, so that concludes my short lesson on writing equations to vertical and horizontal lines. I hope you found it useful. I want to thank you for taking the time for viewing, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. This is Glenn Heuring, and I'm signing off. Goodbye.